Herbalife Nutrition. Rebuild endurance. A protein and carbohydrate drink mix with added L-Glutamine and L-Carnitine. Consume rebuild endurance within 30 minutes following aerobic activity. 20 servings per 1,000 gram canister. Key benefits: contains a source of protein, 10 gram, and high in carbohydrate, 36 gram per serving. Provides vitamins B1, B2, C, and E, along with iron, artificial colorant-free, artificial flavoring-free, and artificial sweetener-free. Vanilla flavored. Consume within 30 minutes following aerobic activity. Mix 4 level scoops, 50 gram, with 250 milliliter of water. Shake vigorously. Herbalife 24. myherbalife.com